If you're an avid viewer of this channel and watched my previous video where I carbon wrapped a lot of the parts on my SVR, then you probably remember that when I got round to the mirrors, I wasn't too happy with the outcome. But I did say, no fear, I've got another solution for that. Today, we're going to install that solution. While I was at Paramount Performance getting my car tuned, they managed to sell me these carbon fibre mirror covers. So today we're going to fit them to my mirrors, but not only that, I'm going to try and fix a problem that I had on my V6, I've got on this car, and you'll probably have on yours. Let me show you. So what I have here is just on where the mirror connects to the actual car. It's supposed to be nice sort of gloss black, but it's all a bit dull and a bit patchy. And the same around the edge of the mirror. It's just lost its gloss. So to hopefully fix that problem, I'm going to be using this Jaguar's Plast RX and some polishing wheels that I bought to work with my Dremel. So first let's remove these mirror covers so that we can get that carbon fibre wrap off and also get them out of the way while we polish the black parts. I've detailed how to do this in a previous video, so let's just get straight into it and get those caps off. Blimey, I hope I never have to strip a full car because that was a bit of a bind to get off, but that's good because that means the vinyl wrap is sticking really well to the panels. Anyway, now we've done that, let's go have a look at this gloss black part of the mirror. So to start with, let's give it a bit of a clean. Chasing stars and holding you. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth and some of this Jaguar's Plast RX just to see if it comes up any better. Might not even need polishing, but let's see what happens. Alright, so I won't be using the polishing wheels on mine because these are actually not as bad as I thought they was, and they've actually come up really, really nice. Let's get the mirror caps back on the car and then we can install the new carbon fibre covers. Next stage now is to apply the tape to the back of these caps. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Okay, so that should be enough. And what we need to do now is just take... These are a pain to get the actual top off. So I'm just going to get a pick and we'll take all the little bits of red off so it's ready to stick on. Problem is, we only get one shot at sticking these on because once they stick. Right, she's ready. Time to fit her to the car. Let's get the glass back in, and this one's done. I am hypnotized. What's up is down. Same again to do on the other side, and then this is complete. Check these out. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. I'm very happy with them, and they're a fraction of the cost of trying to get hold of a pair real covers for these, which are impossible to get at the moment, and they go for about £600 for a pair, which is just a little bit too much than what I want to pay for a couple of mirror covers. So I'm quite happy with these covers. These were £150 plus VAT from Paramount Performance, who were having a bit of a sale on. Whether they're still that price, I'm not sure, but I think they're £175 plus VAT when they're not in the sale anyway. So go check them out, Paramount Performance. Put a link in the description down below. 3 weeks later. Even though I'm happy with those mirror covers, it's now time to show you the third way. And that's by using one of these, an original Jaguar proper mirror cover. Now I've been looking for one of these for a long time at a reasonable price. They're a bit silly overpriced at the moment, but there's a Jaguar specialist. I put a link down below to the company, and they actually advertise on eBay that they have some original proper brand new OEM carbon fibre mirror covers. I think it was only £120. Buy now, buy now, buy now. I could only get the right hand side one though, because the left hand side are as rare as Rocky Nose poo. So without further ado, I've got to try and remove that cover that I've fitted with all those million very, very sticky pads. So that came off easy, and I thought it's just now a matter of getting rid of all this stickiness from the original cover. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. So that came off a lot easier than I expected. I thought I was going to be stuck on really, really hard, but yeah, so that's nice and clear. So now it's a case of getting this off and simply fitting the proper carbon fibre mirror cover in its place. I am now officially an expert at doing these. I don't need to unplug it this time because I'm only going to pop this cover off and put the new one on, so we'll leave it just hanging like that. And that's it, I've got a real carbon fibre mirror cover now, so I'm well pleased about that. And out of all the three options, obviously the real carbon fibre cover is the best option. Hope you enjoyed that. If you do like this sort of thing, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me the thumbs up. It all helps with those analytics. See you next time.